Good evening, everyone. It is October 2nd, 2017. We're doing a quick $10 break. 2017 Panini Spectra Football one box break, number 14 random teams. So all 32 teams are in. Roll the dice. We have a 3 and a 6, so 9 times on the list of names and teams. 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. After 9 times, Ben, you're at the top, and Ben, you're also at the bottom. That was 9 times on the randomizer. So there you go. Now let's go 9 times now on the list of teams. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9th and final time. After 9 times, we roll the 9. Yes. Yes. Miami Dolphins are at the top. Cincinnati Bengals are at the bottom. So Ben, you have the Dolphins. Arthur, you have the Bucks. Casey, Last Ball Mojo, Patriots. Bradley, you have the Raiders. Joseph Johns with the Giants. George with the Cowboys. Tice, you have the Jaguars. Casey with the Browns. Tice, you have the 49ers. Mike Tower with the Bills. Karen Steele with the Steelers. Casey, you have the Redskins and the Titans. Brian, you have the Chicago Bears. Ben, you have the Arizona Cardinals. Tice with the Colts. Brandon with the Jets. Arthur, you have the Panthers. Nathaniel with the Saints. Karen with the Texans. Bradley with the Eagles. Ben, you have the Falcons. Colin Matoy with the Rams. Ben, you have the Packers. Joseph Johns with the Chargers. Tice, you have the Lions. Casey with the Seahawks. Brian, you have the Vikings. Arthur with the Chiefs. Brad P, you have the Baltimore Ravens. Tice with the Broncos. And Ben, you have the Cincinnati Bengals. Alright, guys. So, I'll give you guys about a minute or so if you guys would like to make any trades. So let's alphabetize this. Bam. Pirates were not too bad, though. You got Tyler Glass now. Brad. I mean, of course, if you wanted the Yankees, I mean. But Pirates are not too bad. You got a couple of serial number inserts in there. There's a Glass now, I think, to 25. Just rip, no trades. All right. All right, there are 8 boxes total at one point. We have 3 boxes left. So here it is. Casey, Last Ball Mojo with the Patriots, and good luck to everybody in this break. So, we have, it looks like, what is this? I think it's backwards. Box 3, box 6, and box 7. So, let's quickly generate a box. 3, 6, or 7. 5, not available. 5, no. 8, no. 2, no. 2, no. 3! There we go. After the, what, fifth time. Fifth, sixth time. So there's 3 times. All right. All right, so first one is Matt Forte, 41 of 99. For the Jets, going to Brandon Gomes. There you go. We have Drew Brees, Sunday Spectacle, 31 of 199. New Orleans Saints. New Orleans, where are you guys at? Nathaniel. Deshaun Watson, 77 of 99. Rising rookie. Houston Texans going to Karen Steele. And the last one is Tre'Davious White for the Buffalo Bills. 29 of 75. That is going to the Bills and Mike Tower. Next pack. Mark Brunell, 51 of 99 in a Redskins uniform. Washington Redskins going to Casey. We have Trevor Davis, 51 of 99. Monumental memorabilia. Packers. It's going to Ben. We have Amar Darba, 18 of 99. Rising rookie relic. Seahawks. Going to Casey. And then it looks like we have a redemption. Let me look up and see who this guy is. Or who does he play for, actually. All right, and we have a rookie autographs neon blue, which neon blue is out of 75. Card number 185, and that is going to the Cleveland Browns, Jabril Peppers. Card number 185 is Jabril Peppers. Yes, Marlon Humphrey is a rookie for the Baltimore Ravens. So there you go. Jabril Peppers going to the Cleveland Browns. Yeah, the player out of Michigan. Cleveland Browns. Who has the Browns? Casey with the Browns. All right, 2 more packs to go, guys. And we have a Malik McDowell. Look at that, a 3 of 5. Nice hit right there for the Seattle Seahawks. And Casey Lawson. Nice 3 of 5. We have a Sunday Spectacle. 170 of 199, Keelan Allen, sorry. For the LA Chargers. Or I think they're still called San Diego Chargers in here, but Chargers going to Joseph Johns. Wow, look at this. A 4 of 5. Marcus Mariota, Corey Davis for the Tennessee Titans. Ooh, look at this. My boy Mariota. Synced for the Titans. Titans, Casey Lawson. Last one out of this pack is a Kenny Golladay, 72 of 75. 3-color patch and the ink, Kenny G. Detroit Lions, that's going to Tice. Alright guys, last pack. That's the one thing, man. You never know what's going to come out of these boxes. But I feel you, Arthur. Alright, last pack, guys. Patrick Peterson, 34 of 50. For the Arizona Cardinals, going to Ben. And more for Ben. Devontae Adams, die cut. That is 10 of 20 for the Packers and Ben. And more for the Packers, 106 of 199. Synced, Jamal Williams and Devontae Adams. It's another hit for the Packers and Ben. And the last one is a 1 of 15. Dan Fouts. Spectra autograph. Chargers. Going to Joseph Johns. And there you go, guys. That was the break. That was one box break number 14 of Spectra football. I don't think we hit any case hits yet. And there's only 2 boxes left, so definitely check out the next Spectra. Jaspy's actually 10buckbreaks.com. I'm Jason. See you guys next time.